Hi everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today we have our Vino subscription, so let's get into it and check it out. Vino is a wine, and I have the wine down here, we'll talk about that in a minute, and lifestyle box. It says it is curated for women so they can relax, recharge, and unwind. And I think that that is perfect. It is sent to me free for review, but because we review it, we have code Kathrin, which will get you $10 off your first box and a stemless Swig corksicle drinking glass, so you can put your wine in there if you'd like. Okay, first we're going to talk about the wine. This is a quarterly box, so it comes out 4 times a year, and in each box you will have 2 bottles of wine, and you can choose all whites, all reds, a nice blend of both, or you can also select sweets. And this is what I have for this month. They are California and South African wines, and I have the New Crush Rosé. Love this chilled. This is one that you can just sit around and drink. Depending on your love of wine, you can just sit around and drink them all. I think some drink better when you're also eating, but rosé is one to just sit around and enjoy. I like to make it really, really icy cold, and cards on the table, I have been known to pour a rosé over ice. Yep, I said it. And then I have a Wicked Bliss Cabernet Sauvignon. This is a nice deep red. This is one of the ones that I personally prefer with food. I like it like with a good meaty hamburger or a piece of steak, red meat, that kind of thing, because it's got a lot of tannins in it and a full body. There's a lot of flavor to this. I prefer it with food, and I also drink this one room temperature. Let me show you. This is what it comes in. It comes in a great big box, and the box that I was holding up in the beginning, this one, and this are tucked in very, very securely. See how intense that is? It's like an egg crate, but for wines. It's basically made out of that old-fashioned egg crate business. I have never had one arrive to me even slightly amiss. They are always perfectly packed. Another beauty of the Vino, and we're going to get into this, this is the lifestyle portion of it, is it makes a great gift for you or for someone else. Like if you get it and every quarter you receive it and you get to a point where you're like, okay, this quarter I really don't need 2 more bottles of wine. I mean, I hear that happens. You can gift your box to someone else. You can send it to your mother, your sister, your cousin, your best friend, wherever. Just a few suggestions. I'm sure you have your own list. You will get 5 to 6 lifestyle products each season. And this is what it looks like when we open it up. Oh, that was the paperwork. We also received paperwork that will tell us a little bit about each of the products that we have. This is the February Ooh La La box. So I think probably it's kind of wintry, perhaps a little Valentine-y. We'll see. Oh, and look on the back. I do love doing a maze. We get to find our way from our bottle of wine to our glass of wine. This is going to have, sometimes we have food treats, it's house decor, or sometimes we have jewelry. All kinds of things, just basically a nice lifestyle box. When we open up the paperwork, the first page tells us everything that's in here. So I don't have my glasses on, trying not to look at that. And then each page after that will give us a little bit more information on each of the items. This is $64.99 per season, but when you sign up with code Kathrin and the link, which I'll put below, it will be $54.99. And also in that first box, you'll get that Swig Stemless Cup, so that's fantastic. Reaching in right on top, this feels nice. It feels like something that I will have to hide from my husband. We have talked in the past about a different brand of these. Is it a different brand now that I've said that? Yes, a different brand of these that my husband always likes and takes from me. He will like this one too. He will not care what brand it is. And this is the Spa Solutions Exfoliating Stretch Towel. It feels like it's going to exfoliate you really well. It feels like crunchy, like but not so tough that I feel like I couldn't use it on my skin. It says this exfoliating stretch towel gently cleanses, exfoliates, and massages your body with total flexibility. With its unique design that stretches 3 times the regular washcloth size, it allows for full body coverage and easier access to those hard to reach areas. It's an excellent shower companion for those with limited mobility and perfect to exfoliate with before getting a spray tan. And this has a $10 value. Let's take it out and see how far it stretches. I just ripped the heck-a-madoo out of that. We get it out and unfolded. This is what it looks like. And I mean, you could easily... That was me washing my back in case you didn't know what that sound was. It is nice and exfoliating. The ropes are tender on your little hands. It will give you good stretch so you could easily clean. Yeah, my husband is gonna want this for his back so bad. I was gonna say I might have to share, but whoever uses it first owns it. And when I put it back together after ripping it apart so much, that is what it looks like. Next out, in a nice bag, let me get it out, we have the Norlii Winter Headband, Head Wrap, and Ear Warmer. And that is what that looks like. It's a nice cable stitch on the back. And it looks nice and warm. Looks like it would probably fit me. We'll try in a second. And it says, designed to help you keep your head and ears warm on chilly days, this knit headband is an essential piece of headwear for colder months. The pull-on design keeps your ears covered in soft comfort and hand-knit style. It's perfect for commuting to work, working outdoors, or travel. It is 100% soft polyester and it has a $12 value. It says that colors could vary. This is the color of the picture though, so I wonder if I can put it on without taking that tag off. Let's see. I'm natural. Oh my goodness. Is it a good look for me? I think it's too small for my head. I think it might be too small. People say, why don't you think of yourself as an influencer or content creator? Oh, I don't know. What do you think? I just think I'm a girl out here making videos. Yeah, it's not a great look for me. I'm sure I could mess with my hair. I am sure, but it feels kind of snug, like it wants to go, watch, without much effort. It wants to come up off the top of my head. I'm sure that I could put more effort into that and fix it, but it's getting warmer around here now, so I'm gonna go ahead and set that aside. Maybe one of the girls will see it and like it. Next we have, I think it's an umbrella. I follow a girl who every time she sees a nice leopard print, she says, man, I feel like a woman. So I'm doing it too now, apparently. That is what it looks like. It is a cute little umbrella. The paperwork says, parquet umbrella made with a black steel shaft and fiberglass ribs. This animal print compact umbrella will protect you from strong winds and rain year round. It's lightweight and compact. Its design allows you to store in your purse for when you need it, from everyday errand runs to travel. Oh, perfect. It is 9 inches folded and 8 ounces. I think that's 9 inches. And it has a $20 value. Well, I am not opening this up. I will show you what this looks like. As that old dad joke says, I'm not superstitious, but I'm a little stitious. And I'm not opening it up. But that is what it looks like. And as best I can tell, it is not the kind with the button. It's the, you know, you would yourself. I like that it's black and has the animal print out. I think that's kind of fun. I have a black raincoat, so this will be perfect with it. Next out, I have some kind of book. Oh. Also, my box is still sitting on my table and I'm down to one apparently heavy thing on the side. This says, check it off, notes and to-dos. Let's just take a moment. If you guys watch the channel, you know I love planning, lists, writing things down, notebooks, planners, all of the paperwork. That is what it looks like on the front. The paperwork says, Ecola Planner Pad. New year, new you. You'll love this productivity planner that will help give you the tools to reach your goals this year. This double golden spiral bound planner pad is peppered with empowering letter-written quotes and features a colored memo pad with sturdy hard covers. The checklist planner covers flip over easily and lay flat for comfortable writing. Plan out office organizing, favorites lists, or next month's at a glance with a minimalist planner. Organized. And it says we have 3 dividers, 32 pages per section, 96 total pages. Designs will vary. And mine is different to the picture that is in here. It says it has a $20 value. So that is what it looks like. And then this easily flips up and it says, and she never gave up, no matter the size of the to-do list. No, the bigger the to-do list, the better, because it means you've taken it all out of here and you've put it all on paper and you can quit rehearsing it, is what I call it. Rehearsing it in your brain. If it's in your brain and you keep saying to yourself, well, today, self-help advice for the day. Well, today I need to be sure and go to the market and get some avocados, take my dry cleaning to the dry cleaners and get my boxes for my P.O. box. All day I'm like, okay, I need to remember to do that. I need to remember. But if when I wake up in the morning, I take a piece of paper, which I do this on a different planner, but I like the way this looks because I can stand it up. I can write those 3 things out. As soon as they're done, I can put a little check next to them. This is for notes. This says to-dos. And I don't have to keep rehearsing it in my head. Once I've written it down, I don't have to keep saying it in my head. Oh, and it's perforated. It is perforated both across and down, so you could take this part off. So the next one says, let's crush these goals. Excellent. And the last page says coffee and then the world. Absolutely. I love this. Totally usable in my life. And last out, we have something that's glass, I think. Oh, my box wants to fall. We have, it looks like a sugar canister. I will take it out of the bubble wrap and I'll be right back. This is so pretty. It is a nice, I'd say stoneware probably, sugar canister. And then the lid has a silicone seal, so let's see. It seals really well. Not airtight for sure. I don't know if I could. No, I could not lift it. I wondered if I could lift it, how strong it was. But I feel like I could keep sugar in here. If you go through sugar, if you put sugar in here and you don't touch it for a year, it's going to get, you know, clumpy. But this is so cute. I can think of so many things other than, see how it says sugar? I could think of so many things. That you could use it for flowers. You could just use the bottom in your kitchen, put flowers in it, treat it like a vase. That would be super cute. You could put cookies in it, anything. It's just really cute and it's decent size. Let's see what the paperwork says. It'll tell us. A cola canister with lid, cute and multifunctional. This canister serves so many uses. You can use it to hold dry ingredients like sugar, fresh baked cookies. They're stealing my ideas here. Kitchen utensils. That's a good one. I didn't think of that. Or use it as a flower vase. I'm telling you, they got in my brain. Give any space in your home a pretty pop of fun. The wide mouth design makes it easy to add and remove contents too. Oh, yes. High quality ceramic, measures 4 3/4 inches by 6.5 inches. I like this a lot. I'm not sure how I'm going to use it yet, but I feel confident that I will use it because I like, you guys have seen lately when I do decor, I like that I have been getting more simplistic. I like a more simple design, less floral, less lots of colors, more white and black and more simple. So I like this. I will find it a cute little home holding something. That is our Vino Oh La La, which is the one that we generally get around Valentine's Day. And with it, we get our 2 bottles of wine. I got a rosé and a Cab Sauv this time. And then we get our 5 to 6 lifestyle products. And this season, we got this really cute sugar canister. We got this awesome check it off to-do list. You guys know I love writing things down. This cute, but perhaps for somebody with a bigger, smaller, not bigger, definitely not bigger, head than me. Cute little headband. The exfoliating stretch towel for the shower that my husband and I will probably flip a coin for. This really cute umbrella. So cute and so perfect coming into spring. All right, if you are interested, I will put the link and my code Kathrin below. It will take $10 off your first box and you will get a Swig Stemless Cup, which if I were guessing, that's probably got a $20 or $30 value too. So that's a really good bonus. If you have any questions, let me know below. I am happy to help or find out if it is something that I don't know. Thank you so much for coming by. I do appreciate you guys taking the time to be here with me. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon, I hope.